Test for you. We have a test for you, okay? What's your name? Isabella qué? Katrina. That is not your name. Okay, okay. Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test? Stop laughing. Breathe. Do you have to fart?
She already did.
That she's nasty. Okay. Stop. Isabella, I'm not gonna pass the test. You're not gonna pass it. Okay. Go like this and try to bite your ear. Do it. Yeah, do it. You're not passing. You have to do it at the same time.
You have to be like,
and try to bite it. Try to bite your ear. Try to bite it. Try to bite it. Try to try to. You have to try. Try really hard. You have to pass. Try, but you have to do this at the same time. Now try to bite it. Try to bite it. Try to bite it. Lift it up so you can see her face how she turns. Okay. Do it. You have to do this. Keep doing it. Try to bite your ear. Try to bite it. Try to bite it. Don't lick it. Bite it. Go like this, Isabella. You have to try to bite it.
I can't.
Do it, but you can't. You have to do this at the. No, try. Okay. Okay. You passed the test.